to touch on too that I have many downloads. I'm not doing them right now. I get many downloads while just sitting down and writing. So that's like one of the main ways I can do it. I have other ways that I can receive downloads as well, but that's like a good portion of it is like just sitting down, writing. Typically if I'm listening to music, I don't know, like I have to be listening to something too that also helps. It like amplifies, I don't know. So whether it's like frequency music, regular music, even listening to podcasts, okay, or like some of my favorite readers that I love to watch, like I'll just put something on, sit down, and channel it on through. What message do you have for tonight, for this late night reading? Okay. What do we got? Root chakra affirmation, the I am, loving yourself, divine ancestor intervention. Yeah, divine ancestor intervention, timeless, okay. Timeless card. So you are a timeless vibrational light being, a sovereign light being, okay? We have some type of divine ancestor intervention here. We also have no more ish, no more BS, okay? No more BS, period, no more. Are you doing affirmations? I've been doing a lot of affirmations, a lot of just basically in a prayer state, in a meditative state. It has become like one of my main ways. How do I say this? It has become one of my ways of being Jesus. That's like the best way that I can literally channel it just to come out right now. It's a way of being, okay? And it's just, yeah. Where was I going with that? Okay, anyways. Queen, King of Swords. Swords up. You are definitely in an energy where you have cut off and removed certain things from your life that do not serve you, that you know that it doesn't serve you. There's no more BS. The ancestors, your divine team, your divine ancestors are also assisting you with this. Okay, but you're also you're stepping into your power. You're this Queen or King of Swords, okay? This is bringing in, there is big, big blessings coming in. And just you, yes, thank you, Divine. Thank you, Spirit. So this reading is literally going to be about you. This is your progression as well, okay? So we have coming in. So you loving yourself, you being authentic, being in your King of Swords energy, your Queen of Swords energy. It is bringing these blessings in, okay? There's a clairaudience card here as well. You could be experiencing basically an awakening with your abilities, okay? That's the best way I can put it. You're learning about your abilities, you're learning which ones, like how it allows you to move through the world as well. What else do we have here? We have the forward card. There's heavy forward movement. Okay. You could also be experiencing that in many different ways. Okay. Many different ways. Full of love and life. Full of love and life. Also, let me just put out there on record, you are literally, you have made so much progress. You are literally a different person. Okay, you're a different person than who you have been. You're coming into this abundant mindset for yourself. You're learning your way, you're finding your way. Pick up. Look, you're picking it up, okay? Like, exactly. This is also a green flag. I'm gonna wave the green flag. Okay, it's definitely something about green also. So you could be a smoker. You could like to smoke weed as well, okay? You're picking up this energy. Your energy feels really, really great, by the way. And yeah, you could also get spiritual downloads yourself, okay? Not only that, you can do it if you actually wish to move forward on your spiritual journey, and you're overcoming that fear, okay? You're overcoming that fear to actually do it. You have asked Divine for spiritual downloads. You have asked Divine for certain things, and it is being received. Okay, you are a receiver. We have elemental magic here. With the elemental magic, you could be working with the elements. You could be lighting more candles, doing basically being in that prayer meditative state, which I was saying before. This prayer meditative state that allows you to work on yourself really well. Is that the best way I can put it right now? Yeah. A part of this, another affirmation. We have the heart chakra. Affirmations. Okay. The I love. You've been learning how to use your magic. I'm just seeing you with fairy dust over here. I'm getting the image of you just throwing this fairy dust on people, and then I'm getting this other image of this wand that's just transforming everything. And just, this is like, oh my god, this vision, this image is just so great, so terrific. Okay, we also have ancestors laughing, okay? They, listen. My ancestors, I know, your ancestors as well, are freaking hilarious. They're really hilarious. Just the thing, they want to let you know, hold on, pause. They want to let you know that you were, thank you for the confirmation. Ancestors want you to know that you are loved and adored. Someone needed to hear that specifically. You are loved and adored, okay? No, but we also have this build-up card here, this build-up. But yeah, your team, your ancestors are effing hilarious. You're seeing, that's a great one. Thank you, Spirit. You're seeing, okay, yeah. You're seeing this build up with energy, this build up with good karma, I'm getting also. And then right here we have the good witch, okay? The good witch receives good karma, I'm hearing. The good witch receives the good karma. You're getting that good karma, and also everything is being returned back to sender, okay? You have been doing what you need to do. I love that. anyways, so what I was trying to say before, Jesus Christ, I will jump way off and jump back on if I have to, whatever it takes. You're seeing these changes, you're really seeing things differently. You have new perspectives for yourself also, and you are just a completely different person than you have been before. And I want to say congratulations to you, okay? Because it is not an easy journey. But we are all here to support each other as well. We're all here for each other, okay? You're really going with the flow of this now, just everything that you have been learning with this journey, okay? Oh, nice. Here's another signs card. So we had water, and now we have earth. Really getting Avatar vibes now. Yeah, we are basically like the Avatar, you know, like we are like these good witches. Like we can use elemental magic as well as the divine life force energy, right, that flows through us, okay? Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, okay? You have been doing so fantastic. I'm getting right now. Air, yeah. Okay. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Stay prayed up, okay? You have been staying prayed up. You've been on your freaking grind, okay? You've been on your grind with progressing this relationship with divine source and your divine connection, okay? You've been learning more about that. Yeah, but listen, like, you're really coming into it, okay? Look, you're coming into the light, okay? You're coming into the effing light. But anyways, if you're here anyways, you are a light worker. You're light worker, earth angel, sun seed, star seed, whatever you resonate with, okay? All of it means the same thing. We're all divine earthly angels, okay? We are spiritual, vibrational light beings. What is this? We have slowing down energy, okay? But I'm getting something like really weird with that. But it has to do with this light. It has to do with the light that is light force energy that flows through you, okay? It is slowing down things for you also, and it's just assisting you in whatever ways that you have asked for as well. Look, we have Goddess God energy, okay? That energy that flows through you. And we also have privilege. I also saw the respect card earlier, okay? Privilege to know you, okay? It is a privilege to know you. It's a privilege for someone to know you. Okay, you are so, apparently someone needs to hear this stuff, and I guess it also has to it has to relate with wellness, okay? You are a divine light. You are, I heard cord cutting bitch, like, you are a cord cutting bitch, okay? You cleanse yourself, your energy, because you know what that does for you as well. You know what you know how. You're coming into some knowing, okay? And you're coming into some knowing where in the spiritual realm, you are highly ranked because of this, and you also have great respect. There is great respect for you on a spiritual sense, on a spiritual level, okay? And others who do not see that, that's crazy. That's crazy I said that. And then there's connections, and then all eyes on you. Okay, all eyes on you. Anyways, there's high-ranking connections that you have, okay? And you are very, very respected in the spiritual world. You are very respected and highly favored. I'm getting you are. You're so connected with divine, because I'm also seeing the connections card. You're so connected with divine, period. Like, that's just the best way I could say it. Higher vibing. We have higher vibes card. It's a higher vibing type of thing. Like, and you're experiencing it. Look, this is also giving guru energy, okay? And then we also have everything is working in your favor. And you know that, and you trust in it as well, okay? Whoever you are, you're definitely in the right place here. Absolutely. Absolutely. Highly respected. Like, I don't even know you and I respect you. Like, and that's just the type of person that we embody, right? Once we get to know ourselves, once we get to know our core, it becomes a daily thing. It becomes an everyday thing. It becomes a lifestyle. I'm getting that. Thank you, angels. It is a lifestyle, okay? A guru, a high-vibing lifestyle, okay? And for those of us who are awakened to this, we love people who we have never even met. We love each other. Like, we support each other. And that's why we're here. And that's why we have this collective group, okay? And this collective community. I'm getting. Thank you. Thank you, angels. Ooh, that was good. We have the sun. The sun. That was lovely. Lovely. And yeah, there's that. I saw another card that just related with respect. Like, we respect each other. We don't even know each other, and we respect each other. And that's definitely something I'm going to say too, like, here on my channel. And if you resonate with all this, you are respected here, and this is a safe space also. You know, this is a space where we have been doing our own healing, and we've been moving on in our journey, okay? And we are here to support each other in this as well, okay? So definitely hit like and subscribe to, if you are about that. I was about to say about that shit. Like, if you're about that shit, like, we are polite, blah, blah, I can't even say it. We are polite and kind people. Like, literally, we are the sun. We are the light, okay? We are this light collective. Excellent. Anything else from this? Right. Definitely, like, this is also giving a sense of, right, this sense of principality and this sense of more morals. Is that, am I saying that right, Divine? Like, we have higher love here. Your love is a higher love, I'm getting. Your love is a higher love. And that's what all of our love is. It is a higher love, okay? Going through energetic lessons. There's that card. Going through energetic lessons, and you could definitely be going through that right now. We also have the butterfly card there, the transformation, so that makes sense, obviously. Hearing everything. Okay, remember how I said a clairaudient, hearing everything. There it is. Double confirmation on that. Look, double confirmation again for fairy vibes. Okay, you're sprinkling your little fairy dust everywhere you go. Oh my god. I can't believe that. That's crazy. So I said that, and then look, the Midas touch. The Midas touch. You have the Midas touch, okay? You are going around spreading your lovely fairy light everywhere. I'm just seeing a girl kind of skipping and, throwing the fairy dust around. And we also have this card here which says Elemental Witch. So something very heavily about the elemental side of us, right? This, like, even some people would say, like, our witchy side. Our witchy side, because we're kind of witchy. We're the good witches, though, if anything, right? That's just because we obviously choose that. We are the light workers, the light angels, the light witches. Anyway, you've gone through this transformation. I don't even know how to say this. Like, you have been through so much. You have gone through many lessons, and also, hold on. You've definitely been through some type of trauma, right? Just experiencing life, like life be lifin'. You already know. Life be lifin'. You have been going through this transformation now, and things do not affect you the same way as they used to. Okay, and you have really grown, and there's this temperance right here on this card, water element. So there's that again. Yep, water, heavy water energy, heavy earth energy as well. You could be very grounded and in this temperate energy. But we love seeing that, because that's what we want to be. That's where we want to be. We want to be in that energy of taking care of ourselves, being authentic. Literally, that's all I gotta say about that. This is also bringing justice to you, though, and so we have Justice card, and then we also have Voice Activations card. Okay. But yeah, your light and all this fairy dust that you're spreading around, it is awakening others as well, and your voice, because we have voice activation, your voice activates others as well, okay? And that's part of the reason why, we do what we do here. And that's also part of our purpose. Our purpose is a part of our purpose, right? To basically do this divine guided plan here. And all you have to do is live authentically. All you have to do is live authentically, be grateful for everything you have, and that you've seen it yourself. You've seen it yourself, like, it turns the freaking world around. Okay? Like, it really does. And with that being said, I want to personally congratulate you, okay, as well as your freaking teams over here, like, cheering and shouting. Like, you are so celebrated, okay? You are so celebrated, and they are so proud of you. Like, I'm getting that right now. They're so proud of you. You have come so far. Like, you really have. You've grown so much. They love seeing it also. They love seeing it. But yeah, I want to give a personal congratulations to you. And this is also another reason why you should be celebrating. Celebrate you, okay? Go, if you haven't done it in a while, go do some things for yourself. Go do, go get your nails done, go get your hair done. anything that you enjoy. If you want to go get yourself a gift, a book, go do it, like for real. Man, I freaking love this reading. I want to get a second spread here with the weight deck. Divine Creator, what do you have? Oh, yes. Of course. So we're going to kind of shift here. So we have the Lover's card. This Lover's card could also be love for yourself as well. It could literally be the love that you have for yourself, that you have been working on, okay, that you have been learning to do. And that's definitely something that I want to encourage as well. Encourage and I support you to do it. And this could be something you have been moving kind of slow on with the Nine of Pentacles there. Is like, it's really hard to learn to love yourself, right? We all know that. Okay. Just a side note, there has been I'm getting a very strong fire element going on as well, okay? So this could definitely be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also could just be the energy in itself, very, very intense, very high, high emotion. Is that what I'm getting? Hold on. Very fiery, very passionate energy, very sensual energy as well. And this could be the self, the part of yourself that you are learning about, learning to get to know yourself again, you know, just all that. Yes, like Ace of Wands came out again. Is that the card that came out earlier? I think it was. So yeah, Ace of Wands, Lover's card, Knight of Pentacles. It's been slow. Wow, we had 2 cards show up again from earlier. Yeah, so we have Knight of Wands also, Knight of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles as well. So yeah, there's that the fire energy again with the animal, the salamander, and like a sign for me that something has fire energy, right, is and sometimes it's animals, sometimes it's different things, okay, but for this one I'm seeing the salamanders on him and on the fabric. So that's that fire energy showing up again too. After that, I brought up the fire energy there. Okay, so 4 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. Okay, what else do we have? We have, so we have the World card. And 4 of Cups. World card, 4 of Cups. Yeah, like your world has been opening up. Doors have been opening up for you. It has really been expanding. Your perception, your perception has been expanding. Your vibration has been rising, with that being said. Something about the spiral, the upward spiral, high vibration. You have been rising. You've been rising up. That's another thing too. You've been rising up and really Yeah, because you've risen up from this. So we have Nine of Swords. Like, you've really been rising up. Yes, the Magician card. You've really been rising up. Coming into your own. You've been embodying the Magician energy as well with the transmuting, using your abilities, right? Your psychic abilities as well. Okay? Your divinity, I'm getting. Like, literally, using your divine guided system. Divinely guided system. DGS. Your DGS. Your divinely guided system. Okay? You have been going with the flow. You've been getting it together. Yeah. So you've really been transforming your reality, and with the, what was this one next? Yeah, your Ten of Pentacles. You've been creating your Ten of Pentacles there after a time of getting your stuff together, like getting your shit together, basically. You've been getting your shit together. Yeah, with Ten of Wands, and then we have the Empress card there. So we have Empress, and we have Knight of Swords also with the Empress. Yeah, like you've gotten your stuff together on this. But yeah, like you're the Empress, you're the Emperor, the divine union. Thank you, with the Justice card falling out. You are coming into your balanced energy, your core energy, right? Your baseline energy. I'm also getting foundation, baseline. Yeah. So you've what was I gonna say with that? Oh, thank you for all three of these cards. We'll get to that in a second. You're here. You're doing your damn business. You're doing your business. Okay. So with the Justice card here. Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. Shit. That's leading, literally, like all of that led to your Ace of Cups, to your Justice, vibe that's going on there too. So you've really have been taking back your power. This is what it's giving also. It's giving, you took back your power. You are literally filling your own cup now. You're overflowing. This is allowing the blockages to be removed, and I'm getting this image of a stream with the moss blocking it. Okay, there's another Avatar reference as well. If you know, you know. So it's all, this is literally unblocking, letting everything flow. Okay, and these cups are coming to you. These I'm getting some cups are full, some cups are full, some cups are empty. I don't know what that's about. But you're overflowing here with your abundance, with your blessings also coming in to this reality that you have cultivated for yourself. Your Ten of Pentacles, completion, 10-10 completion. There's this wrapping back around energy where it's completing. Something's completing. Something has completed for you. That was a beautiful spread. Okay. is beautiful. Okay, I want to get any last messages here with the Ascension deck. Because of course, if we're talking about Ascension and vibration rising stuff, we're going to hit the Ascension deck. That's what we're going to do. And I just fell to the floor. Cleaned up by your angels and ancestors. So, yeah, that's this. Yeah, thank you. Oh my god. Thank you. This is a newer energy, right? This newer energy that you're coming up in, or that you will be coming up in. Things have really been, blockages have been broken, cleared, cleaned up. You possibly could have been doing a lot of physical cleaning on your end, because, you know, we have to do things on our end as well. And, you know, the angels will do theirs. And we're in co-creation with them. Okay? And I don't know what that was about. So, but we did get some of those cards earlier talking about the ancestors, your spirit team, your angels, cleaning up your path, right? Unblocking blockages, all that good stuff. Yeah, things are getting better for you. Things are getting better. There's this also. Hearing the universe speak to you. And this is giving clairaudience again, and it's giving psychic abilities again, okay? You are hearing the universe speak to you, and you have begun speaking back. Basically is what I'm getting. You have been speaking back. You've been praying, meditating, keeping things private as well. And also Spirit is guiding you to do this too. Keep things private, okay? Don't let everyone in your energy like that, okay? We're taking care of our energy now. And that's a part of the movement, period. That's literally a part of the movement, the spiritual movement. The spiritual movement. It's a part of it. It leads to flawless victory. I don't know why I'm getting that type of energy. Very like, you know, like, I can't explain it. Theatrical? Is that what it is? Shit. I think that's what it is. Yeah, so I'm getting this very theatrical energy, okay? This very playful energy. So we have keeping things private, movement, flawless victory. Yeah, you're doing you're doing your thing, okay? Don't let others put you in a state of doubt or fear or whatever. It's better to listen to yourself first. Listen to yourself. Yeah. I'm getting you are extending higher and higher, and you've extended so effing high, okay, that you have been leaving people in the dust. The dust. Okay, so we have, that's not even supposed to be in there. So we have the November card. My November card is not supposed to be in there anyways, in that deck. So something about November, and we also have set for success. Okay. Anything else? We have spirit family. Look, we have cloud 9, and that's, listen. That's definitely, okay. So we have spirit family, cloud 9, which is giving, and I have it's faded. Look, I have it's faded card, but I'm hearing it as faded. Okay, so you're on cloud nine. You're faded. Okay, you definitely could be smoking right now. Your spirit family are helping you to see this stuff. Okay, something about the new moon and quantum leaps, and there's the it's faded card, and then also destination. So we have, you have been making quantum leaps, okay? And you, by the way, so this is taking you far, and destinations, obviously, it is bringing you to different destinations in your life. And there's obviously it's faded card. This is all is, you know, it's like a destiny. It's faded. We also have Fountain of Youth here. Okay, so this is definitely you're being spiritually baptized. You're being spiritually baptized in this Fountain of Youth. Okay, basically, and you are looking flawless. I'm seeing this flawless card right here again. You are looking so flawless, okay? And it's also bringing longevity also. So this is bringing longevity. I'm getting also physical health, longevity, also Fountain of Youth. Like, you're looking fantastic. You're looking good. And then also new energy, the new energy card here. This Fountain of Youth that flows, it's like fountain of, I'm getting this image of Fountain of Youth flowing through you. This is also your newer energy that you are in because you have been spiritually baptized, and I'm also getting from that you have graduated. Okay, spiritually, you have spiritually graduated, okay, is the thing. And also, I want to say too, like, I had a dream recently where I went to a graduation, but it was like my graduation, like I could feel like it was mine, you know, like it was just the feeling of the dream as well. And like, but anyways, so yeah, you're flying through, passing with, you're flying through these lessons that Spirit has put you, has brought to you, okay, and it's really allowing you this type of growth. Speaking of growth, I have this little pendant here too with a tree, okay, so something about growth, tree, nurture. We also have setting your table. Oh gosh. Anyways, but the main thing is just stay in that energy, okay? Keep doing you. Yeah, this says Divine Source is your best friend. Divine Source is your best friend. We also have blindfold coming off. So you've been seeing that there could have been some doubt, some major doubt or distrust in the beginning of your spiritual journey, okay, with learning, and you know, it is what it is, and we do our best, basically, is all I can say about that. But your blindfold has really came off, okay, and you're realizing how the Divine Source is always with you, how Divine Source is your best friend, okay. And we also have, obviously, Spirit Family right here, dead center at the top. So we have following your guidance as well. Following your guidance, and you're feeling good. Okay, you are feeling good because you're probably eating better as well, and really taking care of yourself, and there's the self-care coming in again. Okay. Lovely. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you have made it this far, I am very happy to bring these messages to you. Okay, very happy, very grateful to be able to serve in this way, to give in this way, and to help any and all of those who want it and choose to want it. Okay, and whatever, take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Okay. I am very, very grateful for you. I'm very happy that basically I think someone needs to hear it, but like, I'm happy that you are here, okay? I am happy that you are here, and I know some people really need to hear it at certain times. You know, you could be in a very dark place. Some of you could be in a very dark place, and it is not going to be that way forever. Okay, I promise you. But we are here to support you. Okay. Anyways, I don't know why that just came out. Someone, obviously, that's probably for someone specific. But you are loved. You are cherished. You are worthy. Also, tell yourself that you are worthy every day, because you are. Tell yourself that you love yourself, because you do. You truly, truly do. And once you start saying these things, say affirmations, and really start asking Divine to connect with you and to create a relationship with you, okay? Anyways, I want to say thank you again. Thank you to all of my new subscribers as well, and for anyone and everyone who likes, okay? It really helps to support me and support the channel. So please, if you liked your reading, if you like how I channel, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, okay? And help to build this community and allow others to be able and to allow it to reach others who need guidance, who need the activations, and just all of that in general. Okay, I really, really want to say thank you guys. All right, I love you guys. Have a good night. Have a good day, whichever it is for you. Anyways, thank you guys again. Have a good day or have a good night. All right, and I will see you next time.